Is I've got Kim in the driver's seat. We've come to it's quite a quiet road. It's pretty busy today, but it's quiet. It's out of the way, so we've actually got some daylight whilst we're trying to do this for once. Cause all other videos, if you haven't seen them, they're all like night time. It's been raining. It's pretty sunny today. It's dry, so hopefully we shouldn't get no road noise. It's a bit windy, but not too windy. So Kim's gonna give us a bit of limiter action, and she's going to do some drive-bys, give us a few cheeky revs. So yeah, that's what it sounds like now. It sounds a bit different on the boost when it's got a bit of load on it. So we'll do a couple of drive-bys and see what it sounds like. I've only heard it like once from outside. It sounds mint from inside, so we'll get some drive-bys going. Yeah, that's me on the tray that I haven't put back right. On bottom it's flapping about as soon as you get up to about 40 or 50 mile an hour. So I need to go sort that out, but I'm going to go do it because I'm going to do some more modifications for the next video, so keep a lookout for that. But yeah, it sounds fucking mint. Tell you what, that fucking precat's made some right difference. It sounds fucking sick, that. Sick. Got like a proper deep gravel to it, I can't believe it. It's ace. So yeah, cheers. Coming back down now. But yeah, if you enjoyed that video, guys, fat thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe. It's fucking sick. But yeah, sounds ace, that. Sounds proper good. So yeah. I think she's having a bit too much fun now, guys. So yeah. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Fat thumbs up. She's off again now. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Till next time. See you later.